Hello, I'm Dragoș, and in this video we are going to check some of the best AI tools and agents that are out there that can help you build applications from scratch, or it can help you write faster code, or it can help you develop new features to your applications. I'm not a developer, I have some basic knowledge about development, and this tool help me create applications from scratch or help me add things very fast to my applications. And in 2025, the AI started to be faster and smarter. And with and faster and smarter AI, also the AI tools and agents started to be more helpful. And there are a lot of tools that have been created lately, and I've tested most of them. And in this video, we're going to go and see exactly the best ones and my rating. An application that I have recently created. It's this one, you see Tool Hunt, and basically this is built on Astro. I've also created a video of how I kickstarted this, where I've tested most of these tools. So in this video we're not going to test these tools. You will have a video in the descriptions that is testing most of these tools, but you see in here that with the help of AI, I managed to build this website in Astro where you have collections with Mac applications, self-hosted tools, and other tools that I find useful and are free. And yeah, this helped me build all of these things. And basically, I didn't even write any line of code. I'm just asked AI to help me with various things. Of course, you need to know what you want and ask AI to build this. And yeah, this was built mostly with Try and with Klein, just to let you know. And I've created an article in here with all of these tools, and basically how these tools are spread. They are like web tools. Basically, these are the web interfaces that can help you create tools. Everything is happening in there, and it has integrations with various things like Supabase, with Firebase, and so on. The second part are the VS Code extensions. Basically, you have extensions that can be installed on top of VS Code that can help you with creating code. Then you have the dedicated AI first IDs. These are like forks from VS Code that can have the AI directly built into, and these are tools like Cursor and the Z and other things. And the last ones are CLI tools that can help you in the CLI. Basically, in terminal, you can go and send commands. So we're going to check all of these sections. And in this video, we're going to see my list. Basically, there are more than this, but in here I have included most of the tools that I am finding useful. Most of them are having like a free tier that you can use and you can start building upon. Another thing that it's important when you are choosing these tools is to see what like frameworks they are supporting. Some of them are supporting only Next or Vite, others are supporting also Astro and other things. Other things that you need to look into is what is the AI that they are supporting. The best one right now it's Claude. Most of them are supporting multiple ones. Others doesn't even tell you. So yeah, let's go with the list and let's see what they are offering. So in here I have created a table with all of these tools and my rating. And the first one is the V0. Basically, this is a tool developed by Varcel. This is their website, and this tool it's the web-based one. And basically, in here you just input the prompt, and it will start creating the thing you want. This it's working with Next.js mostly, and in here you see some of the things that others have built with this if you want. So yeah, you can get started for free with this, and you can see everything about it. Again, I'm just rating this with 4.5 stars because it's quite good if you are into the Next.js. So yeah, just go and see what is about it. So the second tool that we are going to check, it's the Bolt New. And also this tool was tested in my previous video, and this tool you see that it can help you write code in various languages in here, and also frameworks. This is with Astro, this is with Vite, with Next.js, and other things that I haven't even heard of. So this is will help you with Svelte, with quick and angular and so on. And basically, again, in here, you're just typing an prompt and it will start kinking the things off and it will install everything. It has an UI in here that will go and install the packages for you. It will have a preview and you can chat it like this. In here, you can ask questions to fix things. And again, you have the preview directly in here. So Bolt, it's quite nice and it can help you build various things. It has also a free tier that you can start use it. And I'm giving the 4 star for this one. The next one that you should check is the lovable one. Again, this is something that it's similar with Bolt New. Again, you have a dashboard and in here you can ask it to build something. You can import a project, you can attach it. Again, you can go and ask it to build your application. It has integration with the Supabase. You see in here that they have just released the Supabase version 2. So this is quite nice. And again, it's similar with the Bolt.new. You will start chatting with the tool and you will be able to integrate this directly. And yeah, this is again quite nice tool. Again, you can go and check it yourself. It's free and you can go and start testing it and see if it does the job for you. I'm giving it 4 stars. New one, it's from Replit, the AI one. Again, this one I haven't really tried it, but yeah, from what I've seen in the videos, it's quite nice and it's like helping you create application with AI and agent, like an assistant that can do things for you. I haven't had the chance to try it yet, but I will try this in the future. You see that you are also having the options to go and use the free version, and with the core one you can start it with $15 and you can start and use the cloud and you have the option to pay as you go. So you can start the free options and see if it has all the things that you need. A new one that I have found is the Tempo Labs AI. This is the website, and again, this is offering a free option. And this tool, again, it's an web one that it's similar with the other one that we have checked, and it's looking quite nice. And again, you can start prompted with it. I've already created an account to them, and you have a free options. Basically, you have like 500k of free daily tokens with Cloud 3.5 Sonnet, and you have like a monthly limit. Again, you can go and extend this if you want. And yeah, this tool is also having the integration with Next JS in the road plan. Right now, it's only working with Vite. And the other cool things about this is the fact that you have with Tailwind this toolbar in the right where you can go and do the design directly in there if you want. And yeah, you can start using it for free right now. And yeah, this is something that I've just discovered and I enjoy it. And this has like a 4 star. Data button, it's another tool that you can use. Again, it's like web based. This one it's only offering the paid plan, and how this it's working is doing like an analyze first with what is needed. It will create everything in steps, and then it can go and chat with it and start designing the steps one by one. And yeah, this is like an agentic one, and it's quite nice, and it has like options to integrate it with Stripe, with Firebase, with Supabase. You have the options to include storage in there, so it's offering a lot of integration. But again, this tool is not offering any free options, and you can go and buy some credits and use it if you want to check more about it. Also, there are a lot of YouTube tutorials out there that it's showing you how this tool is working, and it's quite nice from what I have seen. And for this one, I think it's like 4.5 stars. I'm not giving any tool of 5 stars because there's still things that need to be resolved to have like a 5 star. And the other one is IDEs.dev. So basically, this is like an Visual Studio directly in a browser. This is something created by Google, and in here you can create projects, and it's using their AI to work with everything. I have used this in the past. Frankly, I didn't had like good results when using it with Astro. That's why I'm giving it like only 3 stars. But you can go and check it. You can create accounts for free, and it will spin up like a VM in there, and you can start building with this. So this conclude the first section, like web-based tool. Basically, with these tools, you will need to be connected to the internet to have like the options to code with them. Right now, this is the ones that I found the most interesting between the rest. And right now you have the VS Code extensions that you can go and try. So the most known one is the GitHub Copilot one. Let me see. Frankly, I didn't try this for a long time, but this is offering also free option right now, and you can go and install it and chat with it, and you see you can go and start using it for free. And yeah, this is not quite great from my experience, but yeah, again, it's offering a free tier and can be used for free. Basically, I think this is the first one that has been created after the others started to come, and you can use it indirectly in the VS Code, and you can start chatting with it if you want. Okay, the next one it's Klein. So basically, this is a tool that you can install it in VS Code. It's an extension and it's very nice. It's the best plugin or extension that can be used with VS Code, and it's offering a lot of good things. Basically, this is free and you can install it in there. I have already installed it in here, and in here, let's see, this is the root code and this is client. So basically, you need to link it. When after you install it, you'll have it in the left side, and in here then you'll have some options to use some AIs like Open Router. It's a marketplace, let's say, with a lot of AI. Some of them are free to use, so you can pair it with this one. You can create an account in Open Router and you can use it with the Open Router free models. From there, you can use it with Anthropic. This is the best option. You can use it with the OpenAI models, Google Gemini, DeepSeek, Mistral, that also are free. Again, I've tested Rucode, also it that is a fork of this in the previous video, and you can check how it's doing. This is having a lot of features that have been added lately, and I think this is the best one. If you are looking for an extension that can be with an AI, you can also use it with Olama. For instance, I have like various videos that will help you set up Olama in your MacBook, and LM Studio also can be used. So yeah, you just need to pay it and you can go and check it for free. And again, this tool it's free and it can help you code for free. So this tool it has like 4.5 stars. Another one, it's a fork of Klein, is the Rucode, and it's offering similar things. Again, this tool I've used it in the past when I was trying to create the directory. You can check the results, and in here you have the options with the architect, can ask mode, and again you have the options to add the various models in here. So you can go in here and add the provider like Klein has. Again, this tool it's very good, it's in par with what Klein is offering. It's a fork, but it has some extra things like different models that you can put in here and different things. Again, this is very nice and it's free and you can use it. Okay, so these are the ones that are interesting also. And the other one that I've recently found is Augment Code. And yeah, while I was on Reddit, someone recommended this tool and I said, okay, let me try it and see how it's doing. And I can say that Augment Code, it's very good, and it's I think a very good one if you have like big code bases. And this tool it just goes and it indexes the code base for you, and it has like when you're asking something, it can identify very easily what is the file that needs to be changed. And this is their website. It's an extension and it can be installed in VS Code and the other editor. And in here you have the products that it has. You have a pricing. So basically the free tier it's quite good. Also in the professional tier you have unlimited chat with completion and everything like that. So basically this tool it's quite nice. I was playing with it for I don't know a couple of days, and in here let me see if I have it. Augment. So basically this is the tool, And again, in here you see that it's like Klein, but you don't have the options to choose the AI. It will use the AI automatically for you. And in here, ask some of the things. It will index everything in here. And let's see. This is the today plan. I've asked him to help me write an article for these tools to be faster. And in here, you can just chat with it. Let's see if I have another project open in here. This is the tool hunt, and in here I've tried asking it to add some of the things, some extensions in there, like sharing to my tool hunt website, and this did a pretty good job. And again, I am impressed with this tool, and it really does a good job in identify what files needs to be edited, and it's impressive. And again, you can test all of the features for free for 30 days, and yeah, you just go and install it in VS Code, and you add your project, and you just start chat with it. I'm recommending this tool. I'm giving it 4.5 stars. It's pretty good so far in my tests. Okay, and right now we're going to move to the next thing. So basically, these are the IDs that are, let's say, forks from VS Code that have AI integrated directly. Not all are forks. Z is not a fork of VS Code, and we're going to check all of them. So Cursor, it's another tool that can help you code. I've also tested it when I've created a tool hunt, but yeah, from my point of view, the UI is quite outdated, and I think like there are better tools right now that can do a better job than Cursor. But again, this is the first one that has these things in there, and it still does a very good job. My problem with it is that I don't really like the UI of this one, and it's quite expensive and slow when you are reaching the limits. Again, you can use your own AI models in here, but you don't have access to all the features. It's free, you can go and check it. Let's go and check the next ID one. The new one, it's Trae. This is created by ByteDance, the ones that develop TikTok. And this one, it's quite nice and it's currently free. So I have installed Rucode in here, and this is their interface. It's looking very nice, and I've created also a video of how it can be used. And in here you see that you have these options, you have the chat options, and you have the build options. And basically here you go and chat with the models. It has the GPT-4o and 3.5, and you can add context in here with folders, workspace. Again, this is also indexing your workspace, and it's quite nice. Like the tool hunt website, it's mostly built with Try, and I use it to add all of the things, and I can say it does a pretty good job, and it's free. You can use Cloud for free with this one. That's why I've used it intensely, and yeah, it's good. You just have to give it a try and see how it's looking. Also, the UI, it's very nice, and it's looking very, very good. Okay, let's go and check the other one. The other one is Windsurf also. This one, it's quite nice. It's offering a free version of, and you have a trial. I also tried it in the past. So basically this is something that it's similar with the try. It has also a nice interface. This is the interface in here. You have a free tier that can be used in the beginning. You have the options to choose between different models in here. You see that you have the cascade option, and you have the options to choose from various models. You have also DeepSeek added in here, Google Gemini. I'm not paying for this one because I don't see the point right now. I'm using Try, but Windsurf, it's pretty good, and it does a very good job. Again, it's indexing the code. You can chat directly with the code. You can buy credits if you remain without credits. So Windsurf, it's included in the other video that I did when I tested this, and it does a pretty good job. You see that it has like similar things with Try, and the good thing of this tool is the fact that it has a lot of new features that are added, so it's quite up to date with everything. So give Windsurf a go. And the other one that I'm using since I don't know beginning because it's fast and I like it, it's Z. So I have it in here. So basically this is the project. You see that right now, for instance, I've used it to help me write this article with the best tools. So yeah, I'm using it to polish the articles that I'm writing. And in here, you see that this is their interface and this is my project. And in here, you can go and chat with the project and you can add context with like the tabs that are open. You can fetch URLs directly from the internet. You can add a file. You can add things in here. Again, you can go and configure it with various models in here. So you are not limited only with Z. So Z, it has like a free tier that it will offer you $10 a month in the credits with their cloud. And in here you can add also your own API keys. You have like Anthropic, DeepSeek, Google AI, LM Studio, Olama, OpenAI, and yeah, you can go and use it with different AI models, also with self-host ones. So this tool, it's very fast. It's the fastest one that you can use. And yeah, I am like a daily user of Z, and I'm impressed with the speed that they are offering and the fact that they're also adding a lot of new things. And also you have like free credits, free $10 credits a month that you can use with the tool. What it's missing is the fact that you don't have like an agentic thing that it can go and push everything directly to the code, and it can take some time. And right now, from what I've seen, it doesn't have like an indexing option. This is something that I guess it will be good to be added to have like an indexing of the code and chat directly with the code like the other tools are doing, like Try and Windsurf. Last ones are the CLI ones. So basically, the CLI ones are the ones that you can install and you can chat directly through the CLI with them. So basically like this, you go into the terminal and you can start typing and you can ask some things. A tool like this, it's Aider, and again, Aider, it can be configured to use various LLMs. It has also benchmarks, and it can alter files directly, and it can do a lot of great things. So yeah, if you're like into terminal tools, you can give Aider a go. I'm giving it 4.5 stars. And yeah, it's impressive what they managed to build. And another one that it can be used, basically this is quite new for Mac. It has an CLI. It's Goose, and this is still an agentic CLI tool that you can go and use it. So basically, this tool, it's like an agent, and you can configure the LLM that we want to use through their API key, and you can go and chat directly with it. And I am just install it and didn't try it a lot because I like more coding into the IDs, and yeah, that's why I didn't did a lot of thing with Goose. But I am aware of the tool, and it's open source, it's free, and it can be used easily. These are the AI tools and agents that can help you build code faster or help you resolve a code in case you want to I don't know, be more productive. I hope you enjoyed the video. In case you liked what you have seen, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.